you nak air tak?
Tak nak.
Asal tak nak? You nak lah.
Kenapa?
Aku nak menang X70 ni. Sebab ini baru RM1.20. So kalau aku beli 1, 2, 4, 5. Okey, belanja punya bini, belanja punya anak.
Belanja air. Janji resit dia RM5.
RM5. Okey, menang Proton X70. Beli air, menang Proton X70.
Beli air boleh menang Proton X70.
Yes.
Terbaik lah.
Okey.
Kalau macam tu saya nak lah.
Nak. Okay. Guys, I'm now at KL Auto. Alright, this place. Remember, Bobby was here a few days ago to have his Audi S4 auto foamed. Don't think I have time to do that for my E39, but I am here for them to do their engine cleaning treatment, which Desmond quite euphemistically terms it as well, if I use the term, I'm not sure how I'll get past YouTube's adult filtration. So, well, let's just say that it refers Desmond's term for it can be shortened to BJ lah. So, right now, it's opening up access to the air intake system, and what they're doing here, this is what they call oxy-hydrogen carbon cleaning system. Basically, it is to clean the internals of the engine. All right, and this is one claim that there was a given car. There's one of the test subjects saw an 11% increase in horsepower and torque. So very interested to see the results of this. Bobby has already done it for, I'm not sure if he did it for his Audi, but I remember he did it for his 6 Series. So, yep. So they're running the oxy-hydrogen, the cleaning elements in through the air intake, and after this, they're going to start the engine and run. So as Bobby showed you in his video, this is auto foam, very light. Okay, and yet at the same time relatively strong enough that I can stand on it and it doesn't deform the bloody thing. So pretty good. A few years back, Desmond had already pumped my Waja with these things. I'm not sure, I can't remember what package he gave me. I think he gave, at that time he gave me the comfort package. So no, he gave me a very customized one, because I remember the time he gave me the undercarriage one, and also some extra things at the back. Maybe he changed his offering, I think. Yeah, but basically my Waja runs on auto foam, has been fantastic. I'm actually considering to put it on my E39 as well. Okay guys, so the machine here, it's pressurized and it is pumping gas out through this hose into the air intake and cleaning up the internals of the engine. Okay guys, so the machine just beeped that it's job done. So I'm gonna wait a bit and
that's right.
Yeah, let's go for it. Okay guys, so it's been a day since my engine went through its KL Auto's oxy-hydrogen cleaning procedure, which our friend quite euphemistically calls a blowjob. All right, and after I went and left, Chris went to do it for his car as well. His video is up. Okay, go check it out. And he will also be shared. His video shows in more detail how the procedure was undertaken. So basically what happens is this. How it works is, with the engine running, his device pumps in hydrogen into the engine. So what it does is that the hydrogen, being very volatile and combustible, burns off all the carbon deposits inside the combustion chamber, the upper cylinder walls, the piston top, the valves, all that. Okay, so yeah, it helps clean up the engine from the inside, and it's the most, perhaps the most effective way to clean up the insides of your engine without needing to resort to a top overhaul. Now, one thing and the question about top overhaul is a very scary topic for the BMW M54 engine, because when you open the cylinder head, the bolts that hold the cylinder head to the block, they are very, very sensitive to being distorted during the retorquing process, even by the most skilled mechanics. So yeah, a top overhaul on a BMW M54 is a very, very scary prospect, right? It's not something that you ideally want. In fact, my good mechanic has once said before that versus a top overhaul, an engine transplant may actually be a more cost-effective option. That's what he said. Okay, and so what's my feedback immediately after coming out? Well, the engine is noticeably smoother on idle. Okay, that is a given. But on driving, all right, just now earlier when I was exiting the junction, I noticed that the car leaps forward with a bit more conviction. Now, but I do have to point out one thing. In the case of this car, right, the gains in performance that I'm experiencing are in conjunction with the DNA tuning that was provided in by Mike Yap, documented in a separate video. So yeah, so what I have now is my M54 2.2 here, feeling very, very smooth, very, very healthy. Well, probably still not quite a 525, but definitely more drivable on a day-to-day basis, right? And the pickup, all right, at low to mid-range speeds also feel a lot less labored. So I understand that Desmond charges, well, because he this was on the house, okay, but his charges are increased with engine capacity, and yeah, I mean that is fair, because the bigger the engine, the more gas you need to clean it up. So for my 2.2, it's 280 ringgit. If yours is below 2 liters, the charges may be below 200. Okay, so yeah, definitely thus far I've tried this, very happy with the results, and yeah, you guys should go and try it every once in a while with your cars. So all that done and dusted, this car is all set for Evo Enduro. Can't wait.
Okay guys, this year's Evo Enduro 2019, we have these teams participating, and together with them, you will stand a chance to win a Proton X70, 38,000 ringgit cash. Yes, these are real money over here, and 2-person gets to win this, and another 10-person will be able to win 8,000 ringgit cash. All you need to do is just to buy their products from a minimum spending of 5 ringgit. To know how to enter, all you need to do is just to WhatsApp your receipt of your product and answer a simple question to this number. To understand further, go to this website to know about all these products and how to enter. Menang, menang, menang!
Menang!
Alright.
Again, Con?
Make noodle lah.